Welcome back, student. And now in second session, we will discuss about the detail of these social media comparison like Facebook, YouTube, and we will discuss about their why the owners are creating for which purpose and what the purpose of what they are people are basically using it. Okay. Now, first one is the Facebook, and then Facebook, you have also, I guess, account on a Facebook. Why you make the account on a Facebook? You betterly know that is a just to face, but it is the number one uh, social platform. Sure, the platform that you connect with your mom, third grade teachers, and neighbors is still there and still as a popular as ever, even more so. Actually, your best, I mean to say, actor, actress, and cricketers, and many people that you will be considered as a you have a respect and you are have a you are a fan of different personality, political, gaming, and movie, dramatic, anyone. But the thing again, it may be direct to your family, friend, and family part, and you are liking, disliking people. Okay, but you will be connect their what they like, what they are doing on their daily life. Okay, some of the leading industry on a Facebook, including the financial services, e-commerce, retail, gaming, entertainment, media, nowadays telecom and technology, consumer goods, and automotive businesses. Fine. Some of the leading company are using this. Fine. And now I'm talking about, I mean, you are user of a Facebook, you can be see the retail, gaming, and live and entertainment channels. Okay, and you joining different group, e-commerce group, some technology, consumer good. That's some group that will be help you to give a different information. Now I'm talking about the YouTube. That's our regional video social media platform. YouTube, one of our maintenance dominance in that market. It is currently the second most used platform with a 2.2 billion monthly active users. The potential for each reach on a YouTube is un unrevealed with 81% of US adults using the platform. This number cannot be ignored. YouTube has a strong user base across all age groups. This including the difficult to reach 65 plus demographic. 49% of whom are use the platform, second only to Facebook. Okay, 49% of whom use this platform and the second only to Facebook. And normally you are a user of a also a user of a YouTube, and which kind of videos and series and like for the learning videos lectures you are using. Okay, that's you can make, and many people are making the channel and earning with the help of YouTube. Yes, third one is WhatsApp. WhatsApp is remain the most popular social messaging application that we out in the front of a Facebook Messenger, and the closed messaging application might not seem to the obvious choice for brand, but consider that SMS has 98% open rate compared to 20% for email. It's the captive audience, and unlike SMS, WhatsApp messages are free to send. And just for the help of internet, you can freely send the messages. And everywhere we are preferring to use the WhatsApp nowadays because for this messaging, it is a one of a good tool, and you can share your documents, your pictures, your text messaging, your voice messages, and give easily to message to the um, audience and the people where you want to share your information. Okay, that is a WhatsApp, though commonly used and for your with the friends and your providers. Now we're discussing about the Instagram. Instagram is a social network where the product-based businesses and the influencers and the coaches can survive. Since introducing the shoppable post in 2018, the potential return on investment for product-based businesses is higher than ever. Not only can we B2B, business to business, connect with a massive audience, they can link the product information and sale straight from the gram. If you target demographic is under 35, Instagram is a gold mine. 67% of 18 to 24 years old use Instagram, with 67% of Generation Z and 58% of millennials using application daily. Okay, mostly the Z generation are involved and 67%. And 18 to 24 years old are using Instagram 67%, 67% Generation Z, and 58% of millennials using this application on a daily basis. Fine, that's Instagram. Normally, people are using for their business, prospective business post. Now I'm talking about the TikTok. Student, you are familiar, one of a famous TikToker application. TikTok will itself that's the leading designation for the short form mobile video. I guess 20, 30 some second. With the company mission is to inspire creativity and bring joy. TikTok has certainly struck a chord as it is the youngest application to the market, but has already seen incredible growth. In 2017, after only 1 year, the application became the fastest growing application worldwide. Okay, TikTok, just for the creativity, and you make some your short video and show your talent. But in a case of a Snapchat is also similar as look like a TikTok, some just difference. If your target demographic is a young, you definitely want to get in one Snapchat. The most active users on Snapchat are 30 years old. Snapchat is a heaven for user-generated content behind the scenes video, exclusive offer, and influencers takeovers. Okay, Snapchat. And now that's next is the Reddit. Reddit's highlights itself as a front page of the internet, and according to the Alexa ranking, Reddit is one of the top 20 most visited sites. Reddit has a unique blend of the contents and a community with a 2.8 million communities or subreddit detected to every topic imaginable. Okay, that is basically using for the front page of internet and for the community, different community you will be joined and learn about different cultures. Fine. And if we talk about the Pinterest, some of the most popular content on Pinterest include the fashion, food, decor, and wedding, workout, and deer related pens. And in addition, anything that which visually can be survive on a Pinterest. Notably, 60% of Pinterest users are the female. If you can have to predominant the female audience, that is a compelling reason to invest time in social media marketing in a Pinterest. Okay, it is another, and we are discussing about the redundant Pinterest. Now further some Twitter and LinkedIn. That's one of good, I guess, LinkedIn for the professional, and similarly redundant network of community where people can dive into their interests, hobbies, and fashion. But here, Twitter, it is a basically media platform where tutors are decreased in the number of users in the past year. This may be attributed to be the banning from the President Donald Trump and the fears of the conversation censorship. Okay, normally that is a look like a your Facebook. Twitter is also used for the just make the comments and showing the ideas. Okay, and Twitter are basically uh, using, that's a one of American social media company based and company operating social network services, Twitter, and people are basically using for the committing their ideas. Okay, and if we talk about the LinkedIn, within it's a massive network of professionals. You will find more than 61 million users in senior position on LinkedIn. If you are looking for a decision maker who have the power to hire your company, stock, your product, or partner with you, LinkedIn is a place where you will be find the people. Did you know that the average LinkedIn user has an income more than $2,000 above the national median, or that 50 million people use it to reach the job every week? Okay, that is a LinkedIn, one of the professional websites where people will be find their professions. Okay, now the social networking, normally that's some platform we are discussing on detail how much I mean to say top 10 website the people are using and what the main purposes of these website. Okay, this session we are going to be end, and in next session we will be discuss about the advertising on the social media network. Okay, take care for this session.